In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Wix website URL. So start by going to wix.com, and once you've logged in, you'll then be able to see all of your websites. From here, go ahead and click on the website you want to change the URL for, click select and edit site, and that will take you into your website's dashboard. Now from here it is relatively easy. We need to go to this left sidebar, we need to scroll down and click on settings at the bottom. Once you've done that, you can then scroll down, and if you've got a custom domain added, click on domains, then you'll be able to see your custom domain. Then from here, if you've got one added, you can remove it and add any new custom domain. If you're using a free domain, you need to just go back, go to settings, scroll down and then go to website settings. Once you're here, you'll be able to update your name and also your site address. So your site address is going to be your username.wixsite.com/ whatever you enter here. So enter in a new URL here, then make sure that you just scroll up and then go back. That will then update your URL and then you can republish your website. To republish it, I would go to website settings and I'd just click unpublish and then publish again, and then it's going to republish and update everything.